What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, we have brand new decor this week at Dollar Tree. We have these cute little wall plaques. It has sort of a copper shift or a like copper foil. Dream big. We have Make It Happen. Hopefully you guys can see the shine. This one is in a gold foil. Choose your dreams and say yes to new adventures. Now down here, you guys, these are so cute. We have 3 varieties. We have the textured white camera. This is the textured one. And then we have the smooth with the circle lens. And then we have this one right here. And it has sort of a extra little piece here. These are really cute. I really like the plain one the best, I think. That's the one I'm gonna get. And then right here we have some brand new, I think they're hair, what are they, you guys? I think scrunchies maybe? I think they're scrunchies. We have a few different varieties. Red, iridescent, yellow, we have pink. And more new hair bows. You guys remember last week I was finding a lot of new hair bows. These all have a cute little rhinestone center. And this is what the back looks like. Purple, pink, red, black. If you guys were with me on my live, the manager gave me these and I want to scan them to see how many Weight Watchers points they are. These are the Boost nutrition drinks. I think they're going to be too many points and I'm probably not going to get any, but I'm definitely going to get some more of the Premier protein drinks. My store still has a ton of the Premier protein drinks. However, they're all in peach and that's honestly my least favorite flavor. However, they're just 2 Weight Watchers points. I mean, the peach tastes great. I just don't really like the aftertaste. You guys know I love curls. So cute. I actually saw these at Walmart the other day, but look, you guys, they're here. Ooh, these are new this week. These are cute. They're really jelly, kind of see-through in certain spots. I love that they're pink and purple. That's so pretty. They actually go up here. I have a lot of hair clips at home. I really don't need them, even though I'm really tempted to get them. Look at these. These are cute. And the super big jaw clips, I love those. The jumbo scrunchies are still here. My one location had a ton. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are so adorable. Kitty socks. Look at these. Aww. Look at the panda. I really love the kitties. They're so cute. Look at the little paws. And then we have cows. Also new this week are the sharks. And this is just 1 pair to a pack. We also have the toucans. We have dogs, little Boston Terriers, and little fluffies. I don't know what that kind of dog is called. We'll just call them little fluffy barkers. Okay, what else? Even more from Juncture. And they even put the print all the way up here. Usually you don't see a ribbed sock with a print on it. Usually it's just smooth like these. Ooh, look at these. I really like these. The limes. I love those. I want those. I'm getting them. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, these are cute too. These. I'm just like really in love with these. I might have to get 2 of these. Those are so cute. And then we have bacon and eggs up here in the light blue. We have the chicken and waffles up there. I showed those in past weeks. I'm just finding so much stuff. But again, I think those are gonna have too many Weight Watchers points. She just like gave me the case and I told her I'd run the points on them and take what I wanted and I would just give her back the rest. But to be honest, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get any because I think the points are gonna be too high and it's just not gonna work. These are new. Ooh, look at this. This is definitely brand new. Can you guys believe that stuff like this is here? $1. Now imagine if you put a shiny, like sort of lacquer on this or a resin on this, and then it was like really glossy and reflective. That would be really cute. Looks like we have other ones as well. Look at this one. I would really want to make mine shiny if I got one. Okay, so we have purple and green. And then we have this sort of black one. Black. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite so far. I think my favorite so far is the purple. And then we have this bluish one. Anything else? They all have different sort of designs. So definitely look at each one. Let's see if these are identical. Those are pretty identical, actually. Those are really cute, you guys. Super, super cute. I kind of love those. Ooh, even more jumbo scrunchies. So pretty. Reminds me of like a princess dress. So cute. We have light pink, white, a bubblegum pink, a fuchsia. Ooh, even more of the Sincerely Jewels. These feel so nice. I've seen some people on TikTok showing their Dollar Tree hauls, and there's some really pretty hair clips that are out by the Sincerely Jewels Scoonsy collab that are just so pretty, you guys. So be on the lookout for additional barrettes and clips and things like that. I think I want to get these though. I really love how these feel. Yeah, my cart's getting kind of full. You're a Peach. Those are new. You're a Peach. And then we have Good Vibes Only. Like usual, tons and tons of kids' books. Word finds. I actually started doing these just as sort of a little mental exercise. Look, you guys, they normally retail for $5.95. This is the type that opens like this. Like this one, the theme is tapestry. All the words are related to the title, like minerals. So it's a nice way to stay mentally sharp. And if you're like maybe listening to something and you kind of want something to do, or you're waiting for something, I really didn't think I would do activities like that until I was a little bit older, but I actually think it's really good that we try to stay mentally sharp and do a variety of activities like that, like throughout our life. And all I really do is work and be a mom and do stuff around the house. So I wanted something that was simple enough, quick enough, but just a little something extra for my brain to do, like a new activity. So yeah, I've really been liking those. These are really nice workbooks. Blue's Clues. There's so many workbooks over here, you guys. And this week, this location actually has books. Sometimes they don't really have any at all. But okay, you guys, I'm gonna start the next video, and in that video, I'm gonna start here with the books and share some of the titles with you guys for the week, because I know you guys love to know what sort of name brand books are in here. I mean, most of these retail for like $20 to $30, and a lot of them are from Walmart and Target, like this one. Look, you guys, $15.49. Yeah, you guys. So join me in the very next video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.